Money is a sensitive subject. Most people prefer not to talk about it at all, and that's perfectly fine. To each their own. But as a trader, money should be nothing more than just a number. Money is emotional. Investors are emotional. Traders are emotional. It's in our nature as humans to feel emotion. It's in our DNA. And honestly, we probably wouldn't be where we are today without it. But trading is a game of probabilities. You weigh the pros, weigh the cons, and then determine based upon those pros and cons whether a trade is worth taking on or not. This is exactly why you shouldn't have feelings when trading. Definitely exercise healthy emotional expression outside of your portfolio, but when you're on the field, when you're playing the game, you gotta throw those emotions right out the window, okay? Now, I wanna make it very clear that I do feel emotion. I've been called a robot quite a few times over the years, and honestly, that's just because I've become so emotionally calloused to making and losing so much money over the course of my career. It's a good problem to have sometimes, it's a bad problem to have sometimes, but in the end, that emotional callous will pay off because it allows you to act more rationally. I get pumped when I make a great trade, and I get furious when I make a shitty one. It's important to feel. Celebrate your wins, learn from your losses, but just make sure not to dwell on them. Analyze what you've done right or wrong, grow from those learnings, and then immediately shift your focus towards the next winning play. Trading and investing is a sport, and I trust all of you who have played sports can attest to this. There is a winner and a loser to every trade. Obviously, you want to be the winner. And once you're capable of making decisions based off of rationale and logic as opposed to emotion, just like in any other sport, you will be the winner. I hope you enjoyed that. Waves Capital is waiting for you. I'm Royce Jacob, and I'll catch you next time.